In this video, I'll go over the Geologie morning routine and nighttime routine. Step 1. Face wash with everyday face wash. So the first thing you do to maximize your Geologie results is to use some warm water all over your face as a preparation for cleansing. It literally says use enough face wash to fill this circle. Dampen your hands until it becomes foamy, and you can also add a tiny bit of water if you'd like. And you don't want to apply it too harshly, and also make sure that the product doesn't go in your eyes. Alright, now it's time to rinse my face. Your skin will be shining because you've gotten rid of all of the oil buildup and all of the dirt. By using a towel, you can dry your face. Don't use too much force on the skin of your face because it's more delicate. Step number 2 is to moisturize with Vital Morning Cream. Your skin is a little bit more drier now, and that's why it's extremely important to use the Vital Morning Face Cream. You only need one pump on your finger, and all you have to do is to dab it on your face. I prefer to start on my cheeks, then my forehead, and also a little bit on my nose. And then I'm gonna start to slightly dab it all around my face and evenly distribute it, while still making sure that I don't pressure too harshly. Step 3 is an SPF 30. Very important for those individuals that want to maintain their skin integrity. So I prefer to dab it on both of my cheeks, my forehead, then my nose. But I also apply it on my neck, because my neck is also exposed to the UV sun rays and I want to protect it. On days where you're exposed to a lot of sun, you're going swimming, or you're sweating a lot, it's important to apply it every 40 minutes. And on days when you're extremely active or you're going on an adventure, I would recommend you to bring the essential moisturizer with you to give your skin the extra moisture it requires. It's time for the nighttime routine. I'm using regimen number 28. Step 1 is also using the everyday face wash. And in terms of the everyday face wash, they provide you 2 bottles. One for the sink and one for the shower. So this way you won't forget where you left your everyday face wash in the morning. Alright, there we go. Step 2 is to treat eyes with Nourishing Eye Cream. So the Nourishing Eye Cream is the product that gets rid of all of the dark eye circles and puffy eye bags. The way you use this product is that you apply one pump on one of your ring fingers, and you do the same on the other ring finger. And after you've applied on both ring fingers, you slightly dab it under your eyes. You only need to use a little bit since it can go a long way. And this is due to the concentration of the product. And the reason I recommend you to use the ring finger is because it applies the least amount of pressure under your eyes. And this is extremely important because the skin under our eyes is very delicate and thin, and you don't want to use too much pressure on it. So the product is applied and I'm good to go. Step 3 is to moisturize and restore your skin with the Repairing Night Cream. All you do is that you apply one pump on your finger, and it may not seem like a lot, but it has retinol in it and it really does its magical work. And just like in the morning, I like to dab it on both of my cheeks, on my forehead and on my nose, and then I start to gently apply it all over my face. And just like when it comes to all of the other products, avoid your eyes. And a pro tip is that just like Rome, good skin isn't built in a day. Consistent daily use helps your skin see results faster. And even on days when it feels like it doesn't seem to work, you need to push through, because over time you will thank yourself. Consistency is fundamental. And hey, if you still haven't gotten your Geologie trial set, what are you waiting for? Bye bye.